Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the honeycomb stitch. This is a lovely, thick, dense stitch, ideal for crocheting phone covers or handbags. Hasn't got much of a stretch horizontally, little bit vertically. Beautiful. Right, so we're going to start with a foundation chain. So make your slip knot, and we're going to want to chain an even number of chains. So for this tutorial I'm going to make a foundation chain of 20. So chain however many you need, and I'll see you in a little while. So I'll now have my foundation chain of 20, and our first row is going to be just single crochets all the way along. So start a single crochet in your second chain from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your single crochet, and just carry on with single crochets all the way along your foundation chain. I'll see you at the end of the row. I'm now at the end of row 1 and I have got 19 stitches. To get onto row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work over. And our second row is going to be a row of single crochets again. So do a row of single crochets and I'll see you at the end. Right, I'm at the end of my second row of single crochets. I still have 19 stitches. Now the honeycomb stitch is a little bit tricky and it's easy to lose stitches or add stitches by mistake. So I normally just count my stitches after every row, just for the first few rows, because it can be quite tricky and easy to lose or add some. So we're going to start onto our stitch pattern now. So we're going to chain 1 to start our row 3. Now this stitch is a 4-row repeat, so we're going to repeat rows 3, 4, 5 and 6 over and over again. So to start row 3, we're going to place a single crochet into our first stitch here and alternate single crochets with extended single crochets. Extended single crochet is a crochet made into the bottom of the second row of the second stitch. So first stitch here we had a single crochet. Our second stitch we're going to want to insert our hook not under the 2 loops here. That's our first and second row. We're going to insert it 2 rows down, which, as this row happens to be on top of our foundation chain. So you're going to want to get your hook into here and do an extended single crochet. So we're going to insert our hook, grab our yarn, pull it through all the way so it's the same height as our first single crochet here. Yarn over, pull through both. So that's our extended single crochet. And now you can see how it's quite tricky to know which stitch is our next stitch now because of this loop here. So you can either have a look on the back. So this is our first stitch. Second stitch is our extended stitch here. So our next stitch is going to be this stitch here, and this is where we're going to place our regular single crochet. Our fourth stitch here again is going to be our extended single crochet. So we're going to insert our hook to the very bottom of it. Pull up a loop as tall as our previous single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Our next loop is our single crochet, and the following stitch again we're going to do extended single crochet into the bottom of the stitch here. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, and we're going to carry on like that for the rest of the row. I'll see you at the end of the row, which will be finishing with a regular single crochet. So I'm at the end of row 3 and I've just have one single crochet left to do. So last stitch, single crochet, and to get onto row 4 we're going to chain 1 and turn. So row 4 we're going to start with 2 single crochets. So place a single crochet into the first stitch and into the second stitch. So one here, one here. And now we're going to alternate a modified single crochet with a regular single crochet. So our next stitch we're going to want to go underneath this line here and under the next one, like so. So place your hook under the first one, under the next one, yarn over, pull through the 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That creates our little spikes here. So next one is going to be a regular single crochet, and the next one again we're going to insert our hook under this thread and under the next one, yarn over, pull through the 2, and yarn over, pull through both. Next is a regular one, regular single crochet, followed by the modified single crochet. So go under the first one, go under the second one, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through both, and carry on like this for the rest of the row. Here we go. Next one is the modified one, again a regular one and the modified one, and a regular and a modified. And if we've done everything right, we're going to finish with 2 regular single crochets at the end. So we've got 2 stitches left. So just a single one and another regular one. So this is the end of our row 4. We should still have our number of stitches. To get onto row 5, we're going to chain 1, turn over, and row 5 we're going to start with the extended single crochet. So we're going to want to go 2 rows below and insert our hook here down in line with our first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first extended one, followed by a regular single crochet. And now we're just going to alternate our extended ones and regular ones. So now next extended one will be down here. Now when you go inside your stitch, you want to make sure on the other side you are coming in between these 2 lines here. So in the top of that triangle, that's where you want your hook to be, not to the either side of that, like so. You want to be in between these 2 lines here. So our extended one, got ourselves muddled up a bit here. Pull up a loop, pull through, followed by a regular single crochet, and again the next one, 2 stitches down. Again, I'm having a look that I'm on the other side in between the 2. Pull up a loop, go through both. Regular single crochet, again 2 stitches down. I'm checking that I'm between these 2 lines here. Followed by a regular single crochet. And again, next stitch down, have a look that you've come between. And a single one. So carry on like this. I'll see you at the end of the row. So I'm at the end of row 5, and this time we will finish with the extended single crochet. So pull up a loop, complete the stitch, and to get onto row 6 we're going to chain 1, turn our work over. Row 6, we're going to start with a single crochet into the first stitch, followed by the modified single crochet where we insert our hook under this front loop and under the next one, yarn over, pull through 2, and again followed by a single crochet, and again the modified single crochet. So carry on for the rest of the row, and you should finish your row with a regular single crochet. So I'm nearly at the end of my row 6. I'm just finishing with a regular single crochet into the last stitch. So this is how our work looks so far. So to continue, you will just carry on repeating the last 4 rows. So rows 3, 4, 5 and 6 to build up your pattern. So I'm going to do a few more rows off camera, and I'll see you in a little while. So I've now completed another 4 rows, and you can see how our pattern is beginning to really take shape. So carry on with your honeycomb stitch. I hope you're enjoying it, and keep counting your stitches. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in a little while.